Dear soulmates, welcome back to Boss Fashion Corset Masterclass series. This is series 4, and in this series 4 you are going to learn how to make sweetheart corset cup. In series 3, I teach you how to make full corset cup, and in series 2, I told you how to calculate bra cup for drafting. That series 2 is very important, so make sure you watch the series 2, series 1 and 3. So the calculation we did in series 2 is what we are going to apply in series 4. Therefore, make sure you watch series 2 for the calculation. So the first thing we are going to do is to create our border line. For the border line, I do go inward by 1 inch here. Then you make a line. Also, on the width axis here, I go in by 1 inch as well. Now, we are going to insert our bust point to under bust distance, which is 1 inch. So that's why I said it is necessary you watch series 2. We have all the calculation there. So our bust point to under bust difference, our bust point to under bust is 4, and our nipple to nipple measurement divided by 2 is 4. So you are going to insert that as well. So this is it. And now the half of the cup, you are going to add 1 to your nipple to nipple divided by 4. So this gives us 5. So the next thing is the lines above the bust line. The first one is half quarter. That is the first line. We are going to have 3 lines above the bust line. So here is it. The second line as well, half quarter. So it's like the series 2 is the base of this calculation. For the third line, you are going to divide what you have here by 2. So this is it. And the name of this method is Boss Fashion's Corset method. Now, for our under bust line, the measurement is 1 inch. So here is it. For our upper bust dart, the measurement is 1.5. 1.5. So you are going to connect it. I don't feel like using my off ruler, that's why. For the under bust dart, the measurement is 2 inches. Again, make sure you watch the series 2 for the calculation, and also all the series, make sure you watch it because they all work together for you to have better understanding or to have control over your corset making. Now we are going to connect this to this, and also we are going to connect this to this. These are nipple line. These are nipple line. So the line above the nipple line, you are going to come down by quarter. You come down by quarter, then you are going to connect this to this and this to this. The next thing now is to determine how sweetheart corset neck will be. And to do this, I'm going to measure from here to here, and I'm going to make use of 2 inches. So from here now to here, I measure 2 inches. That's the beauty of this bust fashion corset method. It gives you flexibility to control the way you want your cup to be. So from here now, I'm going to connect to my bust point. We are still going to make use of this line, but let's first draft our sweetheart neck or sweetheart cup. So this is it. I'm going to connect this to this, and also I'm going to move this way. Okay, so that is just it. And like I said, whatever you want to achieve is what you have to mark out or draft out on your pattern. But if you still need more explanation, make sure you ask me in the comment section. I'm here to support you, so make sure you use the opportunity or the privilege to ask me whatever question you have. Now on this upper line, you have to come in by ½ inch this way. You have to come in by ½ inch, and you have to connect the line slightly curved to this center line. So here is it. Just slightly this way. You connect it like this. So now to get the length of this, to get the measurement of this line, you are going to measure this cup. This we are going to take away. So let's measure what we have. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, make sure you do so. So we have 10 inches. Then I'm going to start my measurement here. So this is 10 inch. But I'm going to add little to it. Then from here I'm going to measure 1 inch. So this is my 1 inch. Then I'm going to connect. Then extend this line. And here I'm going to measure 1 inch inward this way, and the height of the cup on this side is going to be, let's make it 2.5. 2.5. So this way we are going to have 2.5. Then I'm going to join it here. I told you, with bust fashion method of cup drafting, you will have flexibility or you have control on how to shape your cup. So that is just it. And here I'm going to connect it this way. This is our upper part of the cup. This is it. So if you want to learn corset making step by step, make sure you watch Bust Fashion Corset Masterclass playlist. That will help you a lot. Make sure you watch the Corset Masterclass playlist. And also, subscribe to this channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful, and make sure you share it to others. And lastly, if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. I will definitely answer you within 24 hours. We are here to learn and to grow together. So this is it. And I always tell you, always label your pattern. So here's our pattern. This is what we have. This is down, center, down, side, and side, center. So let's join it with tape and see what we have. In our next video, you are going to learn how to make half corset cup. That's going to be our next video. Half corset cup is what you are going to learn in the next series. So make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell. Now before I attach this to the upper part, let me quickly show you something. You will discover while drafting this pattern, I didn't extend this down part as we did while making our full cup corset. Now you will see, you will discover this place goes inward. It's not that giving us that round shape, just like this. But you can see now, here after drafting it, we extend it a bit and you can see the shape. So this is the effect now. So you make sure whenever you draft your cup, always extend it a bit for it to give you this kind of smoothness here, or the kind of roundness we have here. So that's just it. I purposely didn't extend it just to show you. Now lastly, while stepping this, you have to start from this side. So this is it. You have to start from this side. So this is what we have at the end of the day. We are done with our so now this little piece here, I can trim it off. So we are done. You can see the cup now. You can see how standing and firm it is. And I told you, I'm still going to teach you how to pad your custom made bra cup in case you measure your cut length wearing push-up bra. So you can see now, this is what we have. You can see how standing the thing is, and you can see how deep it is inside. And don't forget, I promise I'm going to teach you how to pad your custom bra cup in case you measure your clients putting on push-up bra or double foam bra. So the next tutorial, or in the next series, I'm going to be teaching you how to draft half corset cup. Make sure you subscribe, turn on your notification bell, and also share this video. See you in the next series.